Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move your photos from your iCloud back to the phone storage. Now, head into the settings app of your phone. The first thing we need to check is to make sure you have enough space on your phone to be able to bring them all back onto your phone. So let's tap on General here towards the bottom. And then you can see iPhone storage. Just tap on that. Now you're going to check to see how much space you have available. And in my case, I have about 51 gigabytes worth of space. However, if you don't have enough space, you'll need to free up some space. You can always go through and tap on an app and delete it or offload it if you wanted to free up some space so that you can download those photos back to your device. Now let's go through the process of actually downloading those photos. Keep in mind, iCloud keeps a copy of all of those photos, and you can get them back by tapping on your name at the very top. And now you can see here midway down is iCloud, so just tap on that. Now within iCloud, again, this backs up all your photos and videos, but we can save the full resolution in two different ways. I'll show you those two options. Let's tap on Photos here at the top left. And now you can see it says Manage Storage, 73 gigabytes. So this is the amount of space that you'll need on your iPhone to be able to download all of those photos and videos. And you can see in my case, I don't have enough space. But if you do have enough space, you can do it in two different ways. One is you can choose Download and Keep Originals. When you do this, it will start to download all of those photos and videos in full resolution to your phone. However, you can still see the iCloud Photos Sync This iPhone is still turned on. So a copy of all those photos and videos will still be on your iCloud. However, they'll just all also be on your iPhone. However, let's say instead of doing that, we wanted to remove them from your iCloud and just have them on your phone. To be able to do that, we're going to turn off Sync This iPhone. When we do that, it says basically, do you want to download a copy of your iCloud photos to this iPhone? We can either choose to remove from the iPhone, which is not what we want, when we can choose to download photos and videos. Essentially, by doing that, it will download all of those photos and videos from your iCloud onto your iPhone and then delete them from the iCloud. Again, it says the original full versions will still be available on other devices that might be using iCloud, and you have to have enough space on your iPhone to be able to do that. So you have those two different options: either turn off Sync This iPhone or choose to download and keep originals onto your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.